Hey guys, this is Daredevil Challengers again. Today we're doing a new challenge known as the Random Blender or Random Fridge. You could call it either one. Basically, where you have to take 5 random items from the fridge and blend them together. So, right now I'm going to go and...
He's gonna do his first. It's 5 random foods.
Yep, that's why I'm wearing the shirt around my neck. I'm going to blindfold myself and mix them together. So, we're going to end the video off and I'll meet you in the kitchen. Sorry you guys can't see my head, don't worry, blindfolded. Let's choose my items. No alcohol allowed, so I can already tell that's the beer can. I don't know what that is. It's probably bad, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. It depends if you like it or not. I'll be right here to grab them.
Oh god, that's ketchup.
Yep. I have no idea what this is because the label's half torn.
That's 5, right?
Yeah. You picked ketchup, Dijon mustard, A1 steak sauce. I have no idea what that is because the label's torn.
I think this is horseradish.
And oyster flavored sauce.
I picked like 3 of my favorite things and then 2 of my least favorite things. I like these, but I don't like oyster because I don't like seafood. So I have to mix equal parts of this together, so I'd say like a spoonful. Mine will be the one with the handle and yours will be the one with the attachable handle.
Okay.
Alright, so behind me, over there, I have the magic bullet behind this rice cooker. So that's what we're mixing with. So let's mix together this. Sorry if you guys can't see it. So I'll get a spoon and I'll start mixing. And of course a little water for base. So water is going to be in all of ours. I could already tell this is going to be bad.
Horseradish.
Luckily you don't have to do this because I'm going to put these 5 back in the fridge and you're going to have to choose. So there's a chance you'll get some of these. Next is oyster sauce, which actually doesn't smell bad. I should probably shake this.
Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
God, this thing is not working for me. Oh, there we go.
Shake it. Shake it real good.
Good glob or 2. That's good. It's not equal, but honestly, this will take like a month if I try. Why did I even shake? This is mustard. I didn't need to shake it. Again, jarred mustard, you have to shake. I'm gonna clean the spoon because I don't want it to get, I don't want to, cross-contaminate. I can already tell this is gonna be disgusting.
Very much.
And last but not least,
The ketchup.
and I'm gonna add a little water just to make it easier to mix. That's pretty good. And I wish it wasn't broken, but the blade here, the rubber thing is a little broken, so this is gonna be bad. Oh, rubber going in the fridge. I wish I fixed this before. I tried, but I couldn't get it to work. Give me a minute. I got it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna mix it with a spoon. There's no way this rubber thing is gonna work. So it's not a lot, but Doesn't need to be. So there's mine. You need to boot off, and I'm gonna pause the video here, and you know, be right back. Go.
Now it's my turn to randomly pick my food if the phone is right here.
It's you talk to it basically.
Okay. Whatever this is. Oy. Okay, I'm gonna go search what's maybe in my mouth. Whatever this shit is.
Oh god, I almost dropped it.
Okay, I can tell that this is the ketchup. How many items?
5, so 3 more. Or 2 more.
Okay.
Oh, this is good stuff.
And squeezable bottle, whatever that stuff is.
Alright, so this is what you got. You got champagne mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, this beef bouillon stuff, and,
no.
and salsa.
I am freaking screwed.
I know. I'll mix it up for you. A little bit. Do the squeezable stuff. Don't worry, I'm not going to do a full dose of that because a little goes a long way.
Perhaps we should drink something to help wash this stuff down.
Yeah. I'm gonna put the spoon in the sink. It's also giving me a little trouble. And last but not least, if I can open it. Holy crap, this thing's being a troublesome little bitch. I don't think it's ever been opened.
Well, if you can't open, I'll randomly pick another item.
Oh, I got it. Oh, that's immediate. That's good. So I'll mix a little water into it. So yours is definitely a little more creamier and chunkier.
Yeah.
And mine is not so. So, we'll get to the challenge table and we'll do the challenge. There we go.
Welcome back, guys.
And for those who don't remember, mine is a mix of oyster sauce, horseradish, A1 steak sauce, ketchup, and Dijon mustard. And his is a mix of salsa, mayo, beef bouillon, ketchup, and champagne mustard, which I have no idea what the difference is, but either way.
I'm guessing it's just mustard with champagne.
A little bit, probably. His is definitely...
Oh god, that smells horrible.
I honestly like it. Mine smells like horseradish. Which I hate, by the way. I'm not a horseradish fan, but...
Me neither.
It's kind of good with fish and chips. That's the only time I have it.
Good.
Cheers.
I don't think I can do this.
I'll try mine first. It's a little weird at first, but honestly, it's, other than the horseradish, I think this would actually be good. But yours is going to have a sharp flavor because of the beef bouillon.
I don't think I can do mine. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
Just try it. Take a sip. And you do have the water and the always needed puke bag.
Okay, I'll just have this little spoon thing of it.
And that's why it didn't make that much. I mean, that's a lot, but I got paper towels in the other room. Paper towels. Nope, we're good. We're done.
That's horrible.
Let me see. I'll taste his. Yeah, yours is.
I got the worst one.
I'm not gonna lie. I honestly like that.
Okay.
Mine tastes bad, but that one doesn't taste bad. If you, it's more of it tastes like a salad dressing to me.
It kind of does, but it tastes like a horrible salad dressing.
I would definitely have that on a salad. I'm just saying. That's like I'm pretty sure we just invented a new salad dressing. That again is probably like a Thousand Island. That tastes like a Thousand Island. If you guys wonder what that is, it's salsa, mayonnaise, beef bouillon, ketchup, and champagne mustard. You could probably use normal mustard. You don't.
Anyway.
Yeah.
That was horrible.
I know. Mine was bad. I want to take one more sip just for the of it. Oh my god. Mine is the worst. If you hated that, you're gonna hate this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.